Good day, Crypto Fam. It's me again, Lloyd. For today's video, we will tackle about TARS AI. So, if you don't have any idea what is TARS AI again, TARS AI again is a controversial AI platform that powers interactions between the businesses and their customers. Introducing TARS AI, the ultimate AI-powered tool designed to give you the edge in the fast-paced world of digital currencies. So, why we choose TARS AI? First is the cutting edge of AI algorithm. Next one is yung real-time marketing analysis. The third one is the automated trading. The fourth one is the risk management. The fifth one is user-friendly interface. So, first, we will talk about the risk management. Risk management protects your investment with intelligent risk management tools. TARS AI assesses market volatility and provides recommendations to minimize risk while maximizing returns. So, while there is a time, start your journey with TARS AI. TARS AI is your AI partner in cryptocurrency trading, transforming data into opportunities. So, don't miss these opportunities, okay? TARS AI will be the future of the cryptocurrency.